Want a full-body dumbbell workout that builds strength, muscle, and definition fast? In today's video, we'll guide you through 12 powerful exercises you can do at home with just a pair of dumbbells. From legs to arms, chest to back, we've got it all covered. Let's get started. Dumbbell Thruster. This is a full-body burner. Start in a squat position, holding dumbbells at shoulder level. As you explode up, press the dumbbells overhead. It targets your legs, glutes, shoulders, and core in one powerful move. Great for building strength and burning fat. Dumbbell Goblet Squat. Hold one dumbbell close to your chest. Now squat deep and keep your back straight. This move hits your quads, glutes, and core, perfect for building strong legs and a powerful lower body. Dumbbell Row. Bend slightly at the hips, keep your back flat, and row the dumbbells towards your waist. This classic move strengthens your lats, rhomboids, and traps, key for building a thick, powerful back. Dumbbell Shrugs. Stand tall, dumbbells by your side. Shrug your shoulders up and hold briefly. This simple movement builds your traps, giving you that strong upper body look. Push-ups. A bodyweight classic. Keep your body straight and lower your chest to the floor. Push back up strong. Works your chest, triceps, and core. If it's too easy, try incline or decline variations. Dumbbell Fly. Lie on a bench or the floor. With a slight bend in your elbows, open your arms wide and bring them back together. This isolates your chest muscles and helps in building width and definition. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a close friend. Dumbbell Upright Row. Pull the dumbbells up toward your chin, elbows higher than wrists. This movement builds your traps and delts, great for stronger, wider shoulders. Dumbbell Rear Delt Fly. Bend forward at the hips, arms hanging. Now raise the dumbbells out to the side, squeezing your shoulder blades. It targets the rear delts, crucial for balanced shoulder development. Dumbbell Overhead Extension. Hold one or both dumbbells behind your head. Extend your arms straight up, feeling that stretch in your triceps. This is a killer for long head triceps development. Dumbbell Kickbacks. Bend forward slightly, elbows tucked in. Now kick the dumbbells back and squeeze. This isolates the triceps beautifully, perfect for shaping the back of your arms. Dumbbell Biceps Curl. The classic curl. Keep your elbows locked by your side and lift the dumbbells slowly. This builds the peak of your biceps for that classic arm pump. Dumbbell Hammer Curl. Same as the bicep curl, but with palms facing each other. This hits both the biceps and forearms for a thicker, stronger arm overall. Add these 12 moves to your weekly routine and you'll feel the difference in just a few weeks. Start with light weights and focus on form, then gradually level up. If this workout helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And don't forget to comment below which exercise was your favorite. See you in the next video, champ. Stay strong and keep grinding.